What's going on, YouTube? Figured I'd bust some packs. I was at my local Target, so I got this for 12 bucks. You get 10 packs of basketball. So figured, what the heck? I've seen some other people get these, so I said, why not? So let's go ahead and bust this open and see what we get. I need to hard open. Alright. So we got past and present. We got some hoops, got some old school Fleer. Got some March Madness. Got some NBA hoops. Prestige, complete. And then we got some old school skybox. So let's go with the old stuff first. Let's see what we get in this skybox inaugural season. You get 15 cards. Alright, so we got John Stockton, Jeff, we got Steve Johnson, we got Charles Smith, Danny Ainge, John, Joe Klein, Brian Scott, Larry Nance, Ronnie Cycli, Stacey King, John, definitely Shrimp. I got him at a TTM in the past. Tim Perry, and then AC Green. So those are pretty cool. Let's go with another skybox. Might be kind of a long video. Right. These are pretty old school looking. I like how they've got like the flames and stuff on the ball. These are pretty cool. Otis Smith, William, Mike Woodson. Oh, here we go. Got some nugget right here. Mr. Bill Hanslick. He does pre-game and post-game for the Nuggets on TV. So I might be able to get that signed. Mike Bryant. Pretty cool old school Dallas Mavericks card. But these are pretty old school looking cards. I like. Oh, that's pretty cool. The Wolves old school logo. So yeah, not too shabby. Let's keep the old school thing going right now. We're gonna do next. We'll do the Fleer Basketball Series 1. Ooh, we got Dennis Scott. John Williams, Joe Dumars, we got Billy Owens. Cards like to stick together. Got Scott Skiles. We got Doc Rivers, Allen Houston, Harold Ellis, who used to play for the Nuggets back in the day, Doug Smith. Oh, that's pretty sick. Patrick Ewing insert. That's pretty cool. We got Harvey Grant, Greg Graham. We got Dominique Wilkins, B.J. Armstrong, James Robinson, Gilliam. Oh snap! Mahmoud Abdul-Rauf. He was the How would you say Steph Curry of the 90s? This guy can launch threes like none other. That's pretty sick. So that's going to go in the Nuggets PC. I might have this card, but I have so much Nugget cards, it's kind of crazy. So I might I'll have to look, but I'm pretty sure I might have this. But still, pretty cool. I wish they'd bring these Nugget uniforms back. This is my all-time favorite Nugget uniform. You got the Denver on the kneecap right there. Nuggets. So, but yep, Mahmoud, he was a monster when he was with the Nuggets back in the day. Beyond Coles, Michael Adams, he was another guy that used to play for the Nuggets back in the day. Let's see if it says it on here. Yep, his first 3 years he played in Denver. So, pretty cool, pretty cool. We're already at 5 minutes, so sorry this is going to be a long vid. It's been a minute since I opened some packs, so it's kind of fun to... we got Allen Iverson. This was the March Madness 14-15. So we got AI, Jerry West, Shane Battier, Jason Kidd, another Shane Battier. So those are kind of cool cards. Next we're going to do is NBA Hoops. Not sure what year this is. 90s Hoops. Xavier McDaniel, Wayman Tisdale, Buck Williams, Joe Klein, Bob Weiss, Kenny Battle, John Bagley, Larry Smith, Eric Floyd, Lester. I like these old cards. AC Green, William. So, pretty cool. Alright, so next we're gonna let's do past and present. Not sure what year this is. It's like 13, 14. So we got KG, David Lee. Oh snap, we got a redemption. Basketball, Panini, past and present, exclusive ink, Terry Porter, scratch off online. So that's crazy to get a redemption in this $12 box. So that's kind of cool though. So definitely gonna have to scratch this off and see if I can still redeem this card. Jan Vasily, he played 1 year in Denver and then went overseas and then never came back to the NBA after his rookie year with the Wizards. And cool Rise and Shine insert, and Andrew Bogut. So wow, that's pretty cool. Can't go wrong with the redemption. Hopefully it's not expired, or hopefully Panini will redeem it. Next we're going to do is NBA Hoops 13-14. Alright, so we got Brandon Wright, we got Kawhi Leonard. Ooh, we got old Nugget Kenyon Martin Gold. Is this numbered? No, it is not. So we got gold border Kenyon Martin. We got red border Blake Griffin. That's not numbered. Let's see. We got Darius Miller, Tobias Harris. We got a Bradley Beal. We got Joel Anthony, Raymond Felton, and Andrew Bynum. Next pack we're going to do is Complete, which is 15-16. I do apologize for the long video. Like I said, it's been a while. We got Iggy, ex-Nugget, Drew Holiday, John Wall, Quincy Poindexter, another old Nugget, Nene, gray border, not numbered, and a decoy. Alright, so we got 2 packs left, and they are Prestige 15-16. So we got a Flalo, we got Thompson, we got Jordan, Pepovic, DeRozan. Oh, we got Wilson Chandler. Pretty sure I have this, but gotta double check. Bonus shots of Gortat and not numbered. Got a sweet Dwight Howard Brilliant Beginnings insert. We got a Stanley Johnson rookie, not numbered, and decoy. Alright, last pack of the 10 pack. Alright, Gerald Henderson, Brandon Barnes, CP3, Kyle Korver, Gobert, Tony Parker, Andrew Wiggins, a really cool looking John Wall Playmakers insert. That's pretty sweet. We got a Brilliant Beginnings Ray Allen when he was back with the Bucks. That's pretty sweet looking card. Got the Bucks logo on there. That's pretty sweet. And we have a Justin Anderson rookie and a decoy. So yeah, out of the whole box, we did get one hit, and it's going to be a Terry Porter Panini Past and Present exclusive ink. Oh, it is expired. That's a bummer. I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can redeem it. So hopefully I can. So yep, that's a video of like I said, I haven't busted packs in a while. So let me know what you guys think, and we will see you at the next vid. Peace.